Good morning, students. Welcome back to Max online class. Today's class we are going to do revision for periodic assessment 1 from the chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. Now we solve some MCQ from linear equations in one variable. Let's start. First question, if 6x equal to 12, then x equal to. Yes, here we should find the value of x. In the equation, 6 and x are in multiplication. So 6x equal to 12. Yes, to find x value, that 6, we should transfer to right hand side. It will become division. That is x equal to 12 by 6. That gives 2. Therefore, x value is 2. Option A is right answer. Next question. The solution of linear equation y plus 3 is equal to 10 is. Yes. We should find the value of y. Yeah, that y makes both the sides are equal. So, further we should find y plus 3 equal to 10. Therefore, y is equal to plus 3 we transpose to that side. It will become minus 3. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Right? Therefore, the option C is correct. Third equation, the solution of 7y minus 8 equal to 13 is. Same type of question, second and third. 7y minus 8 is equal to 13. Yes. First we'll shift 8 to right hand side. It will become plus. Yeah. 13 plus 8 is 21. Therefore, y equal to. Yes. Want to separate the variable y. For that y 7 you bring to right hand side. It will become division. 7 one time. 7 3 time. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Option A is right answer. Next, fourth one. The linear equation in one variable is. The linear equation in one variable. Here, they are given 4 options. In that 3 are equations, 1 is none. Yeah, first one having 2 variables. That is 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So, option A is wrong. They are asking one variable. Yeah, in the B option 2 plus 3 equal to 5. In that there is no variable. So, option B also wrong. Option C 2x plus 4 equal to 6. Yes, in this we are having one variable. Therefore, option C is right answer. Fifth question. The variable in linear equation 3x plus 5 equal to 13 is. The variable in linear equation. They are asking to find the variable. What is the variable in this equation? No need of finding the value. Just you find what is the variable in this equation. So, option C is correct. Yes, x is the variable now in the equation. Therefore, option C is right answer. Every time you will not get the question, find the solution of the equation. Sometimes you will get the questions in this way. Yeah, how many variables are there? What is the variable? Like that. Yeah. We'll move to sixth question. The number 5 more than 3 times x is. The number 5 more than 3 times x, right? So 3 times x can be written as 3x. More than 5, it means plus 5. 3x plus 5. Option B is correct answer. Question 7. The half of number x is. Question number 7. The half of number x is. Yes, that is 1 by 2 into x gives x by 2. Option A. Eighth question. The solution of 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. Here we should find the value of the variable t. Look at this equation. Both the sides we are having t variable. So we have to shift on one side. First we will write the equation 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. 3t will transpose to left hand side because the variable should be on the left hand side. Number should be in the right hand side, that is constant should be in the right hand side. Therefore 5t minus 3t is equal to, already right hand side we are having minus 5 plus 3, that is 5 minus 3 is 2t is equal to minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Therefore t equal to minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Option D is right answer. Question 9. If the two numbers are in the ratio 7 is to 5, then their difference is. In this question, they are not asked to find the numbers. They are asking their difference is. Yes. So, whenever they are given the ratio, we have to multiply with this with common factor, that is 7x and 5x. Their difference is 2x. So, we are having the option 2x, that is A is correct. 10th question. On multiplying by 5 and adding 2 to a number, in mathematics it is written as, that is expression form. Yes, here we can't write this statement as an equation, but we can write algebraic expression, right? Yes. Unknowing number we should take as x. On multiplying by 5, 5x, and adding 2 to a number, that is plus 2. Yeah, this is the mathematics form, that is expression form of this statement. That is option B, 5x plus 2 is correct answer. Yes, children, I hope you understood this video. I have added one more video about MCQs of linear equations in one variable. Just you watch it and try to solve mentally without pen or paper.